Hi everyone, welcome to my trading session. Today I'm gonna show you a simple strategy that I've been using for over 5 years. No indicators, just 1-minute trades. I'm starting with $1,000. Let's see how much we can make in this session. Watch closely, let's go. Alright, the first currency pair price hit a strong resistance level and started to drop. We can see a red candle forming and there was strong impulse towards the level. I see this is a great entry point to grab some profit. Let's see how this trade plays out. Exactly as expected, price bounced off the resistance level, nothing surprising here, and $900 in the pocket. Let's move on to the next trade. While I'm looking for the next currency pair, make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel, the link is in the description with the link to this trading platform. This currency pair looks like a great entry point for a call trade. The price has hit a strong support level and has moved for the last 4 candles. I think it's about to start going up. There was a nice upward move, but toward the end the price started dropping. But we still took the profit at the last moment, but it was a very risky trade. I think it makes sense to enter another call trade on the same currency pair. The price is still dropping a little, which actually gives us an entry point. I'm entering another trade on this pair to show that my prediction was right, but the price still doesn't want to go up. It's already the 5th candle in a row. That's really strange. Let's wait and see how this ends. Oh my god, what is going on? The trade closed with just 1 point. That was way too close. Terrible currency pair, but I still want to see that upward movement. I'm going in one more time. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to see finally. Perfect, this currency pair brings us profit for the 3rd time, but man, I really got lucky today. We almost lost everything twice. $11,000 on the balance, guys. That wasn't easy, but trading doesn't always go as planned. All links will be in the description, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.